So let's talk about how to remove the powered by Systeme.io branding. Keep in mind that it isn't going to be with the free plan. If you're on the free plan, that is a reason that you might want to upgrade. For me, I don't think it's that big of a deal, but if you're doing a lot of volume or if you think it's getting in the way, something you could consider doing. So let's take a look at a demo squeeze page very quickly. And the branding is going to be right down here. That always sticks at the bottom here, where if you click on it, someone can obviously go through your affiliate link and make a purchase. Well, that's cool and all. Sometimes it can distract from your main goal that you might be having on your landing page. Here's how you can go about removing it. So when we're in the funnel or the specific landing page that you want to edit and remove, you just simply go to edit page right here. Once this is loaded, simply click on the settings aspect right here and scroll all the way down to the bottom. And as you can see, affiliation on the bottom there, display an affiliate badge to earn lifetime commissions. You would simply uncheck it. Like I said, you can't do this with the free plan, so that's something you would have to upgrade to do. Just showing you how it's done. For me personally, I don't care too much about it, but I know that maybe you or someone else, there's always going to be the option where you just want to remove it. But that's going to be the tutorial. Check that off, hit the save changes, and you are going to be good to go. Hope this quick tutorial helped you out, and if it did, be sure to give it a thumbs up as it helps me a lot as well. My name is James. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.